Hey guys, Martin from In-Person Computers, and today we have another custom build. This is the i9 build. So we came back with the i9, and as you can tell, we got all kinds of RGBs. This one comes with the i9 9900KF. This one needs a video card to actually show the display. We have the 1080 Ti, which is 11 gigs video card. You got the nice pump with the RGB on the RAM as well, and the three fans in the front. You also have a fan in the back and in the top. So that means airflow is pushing through the case to make it cool down, not just the motherboard but the processor. Now, this comes with the NVMe 500, as you can tell, in the middle, and inside it's got a terabyte for all of your games. Now, on the left hand side, we're gonna have the Intel mid-range, which is the i5. It's got a pump as well, 16 gigs of RAM and a 6 gig video card. It comes with a 500 gig and a 3-year warranty. And on the very left, we're gonna have the entry level. It's the AMD, but it's actually really powerful. It's got a 6-core processor, and it's got 8 gigs on that video card. So whatever you want to throw in there, it'll run it just fine. We personally do a lot of the racing simulation and flight simulation. As you can, if you've been watching our Facebooks and YouTube, we've done events for ConocoPhillips. So we run it with a bunch of kids. And also we have a build a PC on our website. So if you actually go to impresscomputers.com, you can click on build a PC. What happens, it'll take you to the section where you can take the processor that you want. You can pick up the cooler and the motherboard, RAM, if you want LED RAM or RGB. We also have all kinds of fans and stuff. You can call us, you can email us. We have everything in stock, and we can get you up and running by the following day, guys. This comes with a 3-year warranty. We handle all of that for you. So if you have any questions, you can always give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.